If you throw a pebble into a completely still lake, it creates a series of perfect gentle ripples that expand outward in a beautiful balanced circle. It is one of the most mesmerizing sights in nature because it actually reminds us that the beautiful things begin from a single point. When you watch those ripples grow, there is an immediate sense of peace that washes over you. Your eyes naturally follow the expanding rings, and for a moment, everything feels balanced, orderly, and exactly as it should be. It is a quiet reminder that complexity doesn't have to be chaotic, it can flow outward with grace, precision, and complete harmony. Humans have always looked for ways to capture that exact natural harmony and recreate it with our own hands. We look for a way to bring that small balanced flow into our thoughts, our spaces, and our creativity. And that is exactly where we find the essence of mandala art. This art just starts from a central point, traditionally known as Bindu. It grows outwards layer by layer. It is the process of simply repeating the basic lines and curves with a perfectly balanced center circle that represents life itself. And this is exactly how we are supposed to live our own lives. Often, when we look at our own future, our biggest goals, or the heights that we want to achieve, the sheer scale of everything can be overwhelming. We wonder how we are going to manage it all. But just like the creation of a mandala, the secret to building a beautiful life is to just simply trust the power of elegant repetition. It is an intentional loop that mirrors the natural life cycle we all see around us. In the rings of a tree trunk, the center of a sunflower, or the snowflake under a microscope. It teaches us that you do not have to build the whole masterpiece in one single go. You just have to focus on the pattern that is right in front of you, execute it with care, and then move to the next layer. This ancient geometry that is deeply rooted in Hinduism and Buddhism as a sacred map of the universe was never meant to be just a drawing. It was created as a mirror for the soul to show us how to be and how to stay grounded. When you watch a mandala being drawn, you see that the artist has the patience to finish one entire ring completely before trying to leap to the next one. In our own lives, we can practice that exact same patience. We learn to be entirely present in the chapter we are living today, knowing that every right action we repeat, no matter how small, is adding a vital layer to our growth. It teaches us that hard work and continuous practice that isn't about rushing to the finish line. They are all about showing up every day at your central point and being the truest version of what you really believe. When you follow this simplicity, something beautiful happens. The steady, rhythmic repetition of the pattern acts as a gentle anchor, slowing down your breathing, quietening your thoughts, and bringing a deep, genuine sense of relaxation to your mind. It shows us that staying grounded doesn't mean standing still or shrinking your ambitions. It means anchoring ourselves so well at the center that we confidently expand outward to touch the incredible heights. And towards the end of the journey, when you finally step back and look at the art, the character, or the life you have built up, a beautiful shift appears. Starting with that central bindu and emerging with simplicity outwards, you eventually have a very beautiful outcome. Suddenly, all those separate simple lines and tiny dots click together into a grand design. It is incredibly satisfying to look back towards the art we have built up, realizing that every single decision, every single choice, and every patient step was completely and totally worth it. We learn true patience, we learn the value of hard work, and we learn the power of practice. Just by keeping the art and the basic roots of mandala in mind, we can actually make our daily lives better. The true value of this art isn't about making a flawless masterpiece, to show off, or to be judged by. It is entirely about the clarity, the focus, and the joy you experience while you are in the middle of creating it. There are no grades and no mistakes here, only you and your unique expression. So, when you step away from this space today, carry that quiet rhythm with you. Remember that you do not have to draw your entire future in a single rushed breath. You only ever need to focus on the one small curve that you are working on today, that one patient choice, and the one true step that rests right in front of you. Stay anchored at your own center, trust the beauty of the repetition, and trust the grand design you are building is already unfolding exactly as it should. Take deep breath, protect your pace, and allow your journey to flow.